The ROAMING Luggage 20-inch suitcase stands out with its expandable design, allowing for up to 30% more packing capacity, making it ideal for those who need extra space on their travels. Crafted from premium polycarbonate, this suitcase offers a combination of high strength and durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining its sleek appearance. The suitcase features durable spinner wheels that are designed to be wear-resistant and quiet, providing smooth mobility across a variety of surfaces, such as cobblestone and carpeted roads. Equipped with a TSA-approved combination lock and an ergonomic telescopic handle, this luggage ensures both security and comfort during your journey. A unique feature of this carry-on is its USB interface, allowing travelers to conveniently charge electronic devices on the go without the hassle of searching for power outlets. Sized to fit in the overhead bin of most major airlines, this suitcase is perfect for carry-on travel, offering both practicality and convenience for frequent flyers.